Hello and welcome to SC Custom Designs. We're going to do a really quick video on the Kreg In-Line-Clamp. What makes this clamp, better than maybe some of your competitors' clamps is it's got a very low profile. So when you go to, for example, clamp this, which is a bandsaw box that I'm going to need to sand, and I like to have my hands on my sander because I'm going to be using this dragster. Look up that video. It's a very inexpensive belt sander, and look at the profile, my friends. It's not in its own way. It's really been designed for optimal performance. So back to this. This is the horizontal bench clamp. And really, to install it, if you've already got 3/4 inch bench dogs, then you're good. As you can see, this is not the deal. So what you're going to need is, I use the Forester bit. And this is the Rockler. I'm not sponsored by Rockler, but this is the Rockler Forester bit. I picked this up dirt cheap. They do this sale like once or maybe twice a year. And you just keep your eyes out on that one. So I've already got it here. You're simply going to that's why I checked underneath, make sure if I was going to hit something. And bam. Now, you're going to see, let me move this a little bit this way so you can get more of a feel for it. Not really. But all I really have to do is turn it the right way, of course. Extend it like so. That's how, you're not even seeing what I'm doing, sorry. Like this. Just turn it this way. And just turn it. That's out, this is in. And it promises up to 200 pounds of pressure. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the one on the other side, dial it in. That's as easy as it gets. And we're going to see how well this does. So there you go. It's doing the job. Now we're going to get that belt sander on here. We're not going to get that belt sander on here because I have a really big, thick grit on here.